First of all, welcome to my YouTube channel. And now I am going to discuss a very important and special type of data structure, that is binary tree. So it is a special type of a tree in which the data is organized in hierarchical way, in which each node has at most two children. So first of all, we have to understand what is mean each node has at most two children. So these are the two example of binary tree. uh, we have to understand how it is, how these are binary tree. So first of all, you can see there is a root node in which it has two children, first left node and right node. So here we can see that root node has at two child nodes, so it is satisfy the condition that we have written already. And for 2 we have seen, the 2 is a parent node and it has a single child node, so it is satisfying this condition. So that's why it is a binary tree. And now we will see this example in which we will see, till that this is same, but now there are two child nodes of parent node, that is 2. So that's why it is also binary tree. So now you can see this is also example of binary tree. Now I will discuss about the types of binary tree. Now types of binary tree. So there are two bases on which we select how many types of binary tree. So first is based on number of childrens. So first is full binary tree. So that means, in full binary tree every node has zero or two children. Means या तो कोई कोई भी नोड या तो उसका कोई चिल्ड्रन नहीं होगा या तो उसके दो चिल्ड्रन होंगे. लाइक in this example, we have a node root node 12. It has two children, and as well as 8 has also two children, but 5 and 11 has no children. Like 5 and 11, 18 has no child. So this is the best example of full binary tree. Now, secondly, degenerate tree. So, a tree where every internal node has single child in right or left. So, first we will know what is internal node. Internal node is the node that cannot be include leaf nodes. Except leaf nodes, all nodes are internal nodes. So, like 23 tens, these are the internal nodes, but 4 is a leaf node because it is the at the last stage. So in degenerate tree, there will be only single child of every parent node. So this is the example of degenerate tree. And why this is called pathological? Because it behaves inefficiently, like singly linked list, defeating the purpose of balanced tree structure. So that's why it is known as pathological. Now we will discuss the third type, that is skewed binary tree. It is degenerate tree. It is also known as degenerate tree, in which tree is either dominated by the left nodes or right nodes. Means इसमें या तो सारे नोट्स लेफ्ट साइड होंगे या राइट साइड, बट इट इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ अ डिजेनरेट ट्री इन विच ऑल द पेरेंट्स नोड हैव ओनली सिंगल चाइल्ड. बट इन या तो वो सारे लेफ्ट साइड होंगे या सारे राइट साइड. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज स्क्यूड बाइनरी ट्री. सो इसीलिए इसके दो टाइप्स हैं, लेफ्ट स्क्यूड ट्री एंड राइट स्क्यूड ट्री.